This video, we will see how to scan a domain with Jsmon. First of all, select your workspace and then click on Go to Scans. Here, you are going to see your previous scans. In order to scan a domain, you need to select Domain Scan right here. You can enter domain in these formats. You can enter a subdomain. You can enter a subdomain with the protocol. You can enter just the subdomain or the domain without the protocol. You can even enter the domain and the subdomain with the path. In this example, I'm going to try a domain with the HTTP protocol labs.jsmon.sh. You need to click on Submit button to start scanning the domain. We can see the scan started and the status is in progress. In order to see the current status, click on the Reload button. When the status changes to success, you can click on the scan to see its overview, its secret, and the intelligence data. Here we can see the particular domain have two API endpoints in its JavaScript file. Only one JavaScript URL is present here. No issues and PII data is detected inside the JavaScript files. No secrets are present here. And in the intelligence data, we can only see the two API endpoints. Let's try it with one more domain. In this time, I'm not going to enter a domain with a protocol. I'm just going to enter jsmon.sh. Scan again started, and currently the status is in progress. Let's try to click on the Reload button to see its current status. So the status got changed to success, and we can see the domain score is 2. The more is the domain score, the more vulnerabilities or the more secrets and the PII data is present inside the JavaScript files. Let's click on the scan to see what the JSmon got inside the JavaScript files. Here we can see there are 115 API endpoints. Here you are only going to see a preview of API endpoints, which only shows the first 25 API endpoints. These are the JavaScript URLs. This particular box shows all the JavaScript URLs which came inside this domain scan. So we can see all the 59 URLs are present here. Issues are shown here with their severity and the value which is detected. In the Secrets tab, you can see the issues with their severity. We only found 2 medium issues. So these are generic secrets which are detected, and there are no high-end critical issues which are detected here. If you'll go to the Intelligence tab, you will see 4 fields: API endpoints, URLs, domains, and the domain status. Domains are like this, which only shows the last 25 domains. In URLs also, these URLs are the last 25 URLs which are detected inside the JavaScript files. API endpoints also shows the last 25 API endpoints detected inside the JavaScript files. In order to see the full data for a particular scan, you need to click on the View.js Intelligence button. And this is going to show you the data for that particular scan only. Here are the API endpoints which are coming from that particular domain scan only.